Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome to my channel. I'm here with a flip through of a journal I just finished. This starts out as a file folder folio. The inspiration comes from Tricia Morris over at Club Scrap, and she just did it as a folio to give to her retreat attendees, and I thought, how cute would that be as a journal? So I added a journal to the center of it. The paper collection I'm using is by Screech Studio. It's called Rosy Posy, and it's a smaller kit, but it was perfect for this. It's a 5x7 journal, and the file folder finishes at 5 1/4 by 7 1/4. It was made for 5x7 insert, so it turned out perfect. I've got some lace trim here, some seam binding. Here's a couple of the pieces of ephemera I've got hanging on a bulb pin here on the front cover. Like I said, it's a one signature, 5x7, finishes at 5 1/4 by 7 1/4. I've got a seam binding holding the signature to the center, so the pages are completely removable. We've got a pocket here. Inside this pocket is a little envelope with some little file dividers, which can be used for journaling. They're blank on the back, so I've just tucked that in here. And then if you open this up, you've got a little tuck spot here. I've added a little lace trim. There's a tag in that pocket. Here in the center, we've got a corner pocket. I've got a little bit of mesh here with a stamp from the collection. I've put this was the only scraps that I had left from this collection, and I love that. So I have just included them here. I did not do any page decorating because we had the ephemera on the outside. So whoever gets this journal, can use those for decorating pages or whatever. I've got a couple of tags here in this pocket, and then we have the journal. Now the journal itself is let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 10 pages, so probably 30. Well, that's 40 sides, but there's a doily in there, so I'm saying 36 pages of writing. And so I have backed the designer pages with a shabby, like a dusty rose color. Got coffee dyed paper, ledger paper. There's another writing page from the collection. This one came out striped when I coffee dyed. I've got some music here, another designer page, coffee page, a doily, and then the other designer page for the center. Like I said, there's a seam binding, binding, if you will. So then we have these on the same pages going back, and I did not decorate the pages, as I said, because the ephemera was here. So in this back pocket, I've got a little booklet I made from some of the scraps, just some offcuts that can be written on, and there's a little tiny tag, and just some writing pages that are more offcuts. I've got a belly band back here, and another writing page that I've just cut into or folded into thirds, a little bit more lace trim. There is some mesh here behind this stamp as well, and then I have a tuck spot here as well in the back. Have some lace trim on the back. Oops, let me close this piece here, and I've left the back pretty simple with just the lace on the sides. So this one was really fun and quick to make, and I really like the way that it turned out, and I will definitely be doing this file folder journal again, and if I ever need a retreat attendee file, this is perfect. All you need to do is put a little, instead of the journal being in there, you put a little bit of Velcro in between to hold it together. So, but I will leave Tricia's video link in the description below, and as well as the Screech Studios Rosy Posy. So I thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.